Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Knowledge rules. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Juice.
Good morning. Good morning, Lions. How we doing? Let's go. Happy Tuesday. Shout out to Houston. Nitrogen, Maxwell, Calling Noob, Il Pasoto. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Who juiced up on some giveaways yesterday? Exclamation giveaway, exclamation dashboard. Let's go. I gotta test this out. Let's go, Burgess. Taking profit. Hey, Blake. Good morning. How you doing, brother? How we doing? How we doing? No Diabito. Latisse. Burgess. Shout out to PSG. Vladimir. How's the sound? Music sounds low. You guys can hear me okay, right? JPX, Hitman Gucci. Let's go, Mark. Thank you. Syed, how we doing? Hey, it's Math and Data. Let's go, Ace. Good morning. How we doing, Ace? How's things down in Tejas? All right, let's vibe out. Let's vibe out. Lou time. I gotta get a less squeaky chair. Lordy. I put some hours in this thing, though. Let's go, Karoon. Patrust, Manaka. Mark. Pedro. Let's go, Maxwell. Let's go, Sky Came Falling. Latisse. Jedi's Kirk. Patrouche. Shouts over YouTube. Lazy Zoltan. I wish I could remember the do where's my car thing for Zoltan. Roscoe. Oxco. Let's go. No Debito. Shoutouts Kimbo the Gang always. B001. Yannick. Deneth. Jay Becker. Devov. Bud Fox. Shout out to Bud Fox. What's going on? Who juicing? Hey, who juicing on the Kimba stream yesterday? That was juicy, right? Who juicing on the Kimba Discord? He's been super active, huh? Juicy. If you haven't... Hold up. Shout outs, baby Mandalo, Mrs. Mandalo, baby V2. They're about to go to the aquarium. I think they were trying to say bye, but I had my headset in. Couldn't hear nothing. Yannick. Yeah. Kimba's been super active. Check out the Wise Lions, Kimba's Den. Let's go. Bringing the heat. Bet on New York Open? Okay. Bet. Yeah, let's get our predictions in. 20 minutes. It's 24 minutes. But 20 minutes is my only option. First trade back in 18 months and juicing like a MF. What are you in, Yannick? Let's go. Congratulations. Yep, Wise Lions, Kimba's Den, Juice. Kimba's Den, yesterday. 74.40, point of control. 71.690, previous RTH high. 74.780, untested value area high. And to the downside, 66.565, point of control, and 63.595 RTH close on CME's Juice. Yeah, you read it there. 71.2 short. Ooh-wee. Juicing like an MF. These lows are bad too. These lows are bad. I think S&P is going higher though. Those highs are not good. So we may have a little bit of a struggle for Bitcoin to go lower. We'll see though. Maybe it sweeps, cleans up all this on S&P, and then falls back inside. 7,000 is a huge number. It's a big resistance. Let's go Pipelinsk. Yeah, I left the other bad low. I mean, if we change structure though, that's when you start shaving. The highs are, I mean, that futures open high was good. That was clean. Shout out to anybody that caught that swing failure pattern. That was nice. Shout outs to anyone who saw that coming a mile away. Yeah, it wasn't quite as clear with CME, but man, on like Binance. And Coinbase, they just built that thing up. They had all of this and then all of that just pressing up there. It was inevitable that they were going to try and clean that, especially after coming back from this consolidation. Speaking of which, got a juicy video coming out at 9:30 today. Shoutouts CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. All of these beautiful indicators. Juice education. This thing is like 8.5 minutes long. More than that. Always bringing the heat. Shout out to MGK. Hey, shout out to the whole CoinWise team. Working hard. Hey, Trading Journal. Shout out to the KTV team. Things are looking juicy this year, huh? Kimba's coming back. Getting some action over there. Discord's heating up. Markets are heating up. Streams Heating up. Talent show today. Exclamation talent show. Exclamation dashboard for stream schedule. BTCC giveaways. Giveaways are back. Let's go. These are the biggest giveaways, just like for like giveaway entries that we've ever had. At least that I've ever seen. Yeah. Shout out to BTCC and the fee rebates. I'm excited about that. There's fine print. Don't get me wrong. There's fine print. But it's dope being able to trade traditional markets like we trade like Bitcoin and stuff. Exclamation prepared. Yeah, that clean was like savage. Yep, came back right to value area high, at least on TPO. Yeah, we got those highs marked. This thing is looking good. Hey, what do you guys think about a giveaway today? Well, it's exclamation prepared, exclamation juicy juice. But the commands, I think, so KIMBA's still getting settled, but I think once he gets back in the chair and really vibing out again, all that stuff should be back. Yeah, it might just be that he's on a different computer and it's all like not set. Like, dude, I don't know how that stuff works. I know how to spam commands. I don't know how to work them. I know how to enter them too, like make new ones, but it's got to be like set up on the back end. Yeah, shouts to the Wise Lions. To join the Wise Lions, you need to link your NFT in the dashboard, I think. I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask somebody who knows what they're doing. But you need to have a NFT or be YouTube VIP, I think. Lion King. Yes, sir. Exclamation NFT. Let's go, Calling Noob. Thank you. Let's go, Buzz. Uh-oh, Buzz is like, Housty. This dude doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. Pull the plug. Shoutouts, Buzz. We got some new music up in this playlist. Am I not allowed to play this? Is that why I'm getting the plug pulled on me? I just put it on shuffle. It looks like it's got a bunch of them on here. I just hit random. Hey, exclamation merch. Shouts to Baby Girl Coffee. They're calling the principal. Let's go, Buzz. He probably got me rolling and was like, alright, I'm gonna go back to sleep. What time did you guys switch over? Switch shifts. I know he'd be staying up late. Shoutouts to Biffum. I think my white one is courtesy of Biffum, but shoutouts to Biffum. V1 gear, black KIMBA mug, Liquini Alliance, let's go.
From the bleachers while we get paid. Yeah. Turn them charts off. We've been working while they talking, now the stats talk. Ain't no guessing, every move be the last call. KIMBA gang with it, every play is pass, y'all. KIMBA gang. Hey yo, turn me up. Yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart gon' put pink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the bands. Cash. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands. Catch yours. I don't need luck, I just need levels. Field line touch, and she's so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris. Pip by pip, run up investment. Saddle lost.
Test, net, motherfucker. It wasn't muted. The goddamn thing came like jiggled out. Let's go. Thank you guys. My bad. Yeah, I was adjusting it. It was like away from my face. I said raise your hand if you have a monster in your hand, but not the drink. Shout outs KIMBA gang always. Thank you, brother. Thank you, my fellow lions. What's up, Dokong? How you doing? Testing, testnet. Free market pump. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna get another Trump tweet. Dow 50,000 on the weekly. Look at that. Look at that. You know things are good when people are like, "Hey, my investment account, my Acorns account, my Fidelity account, they're like giving me all these like alerts. What's going on?" The timing on this song, that was random. I promise you. I promise you. Look at this fucking trend. What's going on? This is boomer markets. Goodness gracious. Is he charting Dow Jones? What is this fucking... Kramer? Lordy. That's a tight channel. And we closed above all the highs. It was a swing failure yesterday, though. I'm gonna leave this channel on here just for fun. Yeah, swing failure. Will it be a failed auction, or are we gonna hold value? Who gives a shit? It's boomer markets. Let's look at like the exciting ones. This is like you buy it, your grandpa buys it. It's like bank stocks. Let's get our Johnson & Johnson stock on. Oh, I needed to turn it off of there. We need some Bitcoins. Why isn't it risk on? We need to see some silver and gold. Shout out to Hitman Gucci. Shout out Shwani. Who else is trading it? Maybe Band-Aid. Are you here today? How you feeling, dude? Let's go Bugama Mama. Let's go Santers. Unleash King. Let's go. Prabai. Aintox, how you doing? Tigran, Bossum Boy. Thank you, Bossum Boy. Juice, 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 juice. Let's go, Buzz. Let's go. Are we going to the moon? Are we going to the moon? I don't know. Let's go. Gold still outperforming Bitcoin. Well, this is a crypto stream, so I'm gonna just bite my tongue there. But you ain't wrong. Yeah, look at that recovery. Yeah, gold nuked, but it brought it back. Yeah, it's sitting right under that value. Like, kind of needs to get back above and, like, holding up here. But it did get the close. How about that? When did we draw that? Whew. Whew, that's a big box. That's what he said. It is a big box. It was just previous week VWAP. And, you know, that's actually a week before last VWAP at this point. Yeah, if I was like really looking at it, probably that clean right here, that's not a good high. And then the single print. That's kind of poetic, 5250. I mean, and that's if it is not just going to turn this into support. And the structure here is the same for a lot of things. Yeah, it got that huge rebound on Friday. I mean, come on now. I didn't like scan Twitter very much, but I did scan the chart quite a bit. I don't know if we've had a bigger green daily candle. Can anybody confirm? That looked like the biggest green daily candle that Bitcoin has had. It was like the moon. It was just a fucking rocket ship after we tapped that 60K. That was like a $12,000 candle. It was like 11,500. Now, I'm not saying like WEEX or anything, but yeah, percent. It was up there. Yeah, we had some that was really close to the same size, but it was when we were trading up at like 100K. So percent-wise, it was less. That was juice. Now, it was after like a 20% dump. So... Or more than that. I mean, like in total, it was more than 50%. So like 12% is like a pump for ants, but we're holding it now. And over the weekend, it tapped like the cleanest level. We charted this. We charted it. The previous range point of control. We paused there. That was a big target. It cleaned some lows. I already took them off the chart because it cleaned them. And then, you know, it just kept on going. It was kind of resistance, but market open on Friday, it just fucking plowed through it because everything was bullish. And then on Saturday, pull back right to the level, failed auction off of that level. That is not a new level. It's been there. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, you want to see it from here? I'll do it from the one after it. Ooh, you know what would be juicy? Dude, they were supposed to be at the aquarium in 4 minutes and they're still here. Let's just see that.
Like a battery, moves like a cavalry. Everywhere we go, we set the vibe casually. Juiced up crew, yeah, it's nothing but facts.
There's that value field action outside of value. Yeah, you got fibs at play though. I'll clean this up in a second, I promise. Look at that. 75786. I know that that value area and stuff is gonna annoy the hell out of me later. Yeah, do I have anything that isn't fucking lines on this chart? Yep, that's really, really confluent. I can't believe we're holding this low right here, but hey. And what I really can't believe is this stupid Fibonacci keeps switching sides on me. What are you doing? I think it's because I don't ever save it when I switch it. Look at all this. Hold in value, rotating, full rotation off of that mini clean right here. That is very local. Yeah, Barentina. Bitcoin. Look it up. Let's go, Mark. Let's go, Curvies. How we doing, Dolkong? Let's get it over on our traditional markets. We'll see the open and then go chart gold and silver. Well, we already charted gold. Yeah, this area, that level right here, no good. Still got a naked point of control. Bad high. Really, really compressing under this. That's going to get cleaned. The reaction is what you want to look for. Silver's bringing it back. I mean, they nuked the shit out of silver. The day that we nuked like 12%, silver nuked 17%. But I mean, you gotta be kidding me here. Tell me what kind of chart that looks like. It looks like fucking Shiba Inu or something back in 21. It looks like any meme coin. That was ridiculous. I wouldn't be surprised if they brought it back to like 55 at some point. But that doesn't mean that it has to be now. That was a clean of this low right here. Yeah, I should have identified this, but I was paying more attention to that one. Look at that order block right there. Or breaker. You know, I didn't think that it would make it that far back. At least not that quickly. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go. Yeah, I'm going to delete that because, number one, I'm going to come back to this chart and be like, see? See? I'm not trying to claim false cloud. I did not see that. I saw it a little bit higher of a bounce. So sorry if you didn't maximize profits, but if you were trading that, you probably had better TA than me in the first place. Yeah, I didn't see him nuking it that hard that quickly. Here we go, ES. Still got a little bit of that single print to fill. That'll clean the highs here. Yeah, targets. If we turn this into support and don't swing fail, so start getting some closes up here. Frankly, these highs are the first targets, 25 and 30. So cleaning 70, 30. I could see them turning this into support, cleaning this, and falling back lower high. That doesn't mean it's going to happen, but I see a world in which that does. Maybe like 25 or 30% chance. If we get that, then this. But that just means 70% chance, greater than 50 for sure, that if it makes it up here, that's going to clean the high. 70-50 sounds pretty good, and it sounds like a real run of 7K on S&P. Yeah, it like barely swept it on FOMC day, and that was it. So, you know, like failed auction up there. Hey, shout out to FOMC day. It was super fun. 38 rotate. Peter Brandt, dude, like, he is a player hater on anything that's not gold. Let's go, Fredward. Let's go, Curvies. Good morning. Hey, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. We all pulling up. Trade, giveaway, juice, everything in motion. Let's go. Stream it down, pop out. KIMBA game rock out. All pride together, we never gonna drop out. Stream it down, pop out. Profits we stop out. New game plan, we gon' run it for a long while. Stream it down, pop out. New setups locked. We grab that juice, now the whole crew up proud. Stream it down, pop out. Everybody top down. Family in the chat, this is KIMBA Gang's hometown. We wake up, charts up, juice on the screen. Giveaways coming in heavy, that's the dream. New trades lined up, math on the play. Levels locked in, we gon' take it all day. This ain't just talk, nah, this a movement. Every single session, yeah, the crew stay proven. We flipping that edge, now the game looks sunny. Everybody eating, that's Bugatti money. Stream it down, pop out. KIMBA game rock out. Whole pride together, we never gonna drop out. Stream it down, pop out. Profits we stop out. New game plan, we gon' run it for a long while. New content drop, everybody tuned in. Family in the chat, man, you know we all win. Pride stay strong, we move and sing. Levels get hit, now we back on the brink. Stream it all night, yeah, we bring that fire. Energy high, we keep taking it higher. Trading together, that's the lion way. Juice for the crew every single day. Stream it down, pop out. KIMBA game rock out. Juice in the cup, and we never gon' drop out. Stream it down, pop out. KIMBA game rock out. Family forever, this the Lions' hometown. Let's go. My bad. Coke Zero, let's go. Coke Zero, where did you see that number? Good morning, Coke Zero. How are you doing, brother? Looking juicy. Let's see if it's going higher, if that's the bounce. It's not looking that great. Yeah, clean this. Clean that. Did we get our 5-minute candle yet? Did we get our 5-minute candle yet? Hey, the temperature here is double what it was yesterday. Double what it was over the weekend. Yeah, I feel like I'm tropical. We got family in South Florida, and they're like, it's so cold. It's freezing. What do you guys, how do you guys live like this? Hey, big cheers, Coke Zero. Big cheers. Shouts to you, brother. That's a juicy entry. Beautiful. Yeah, that they telegraphed the shit out of that one, didn't they? Yeah, I thought that they might run up to it. We're still probably end up getting 74 or 75, but if they don't tap it, that's more confluence for a long whenever it comes. Juice. Yeah, but they're like, yeah, it's 32 degrees in South Florida. This is like Fort Lauderdale. That's very cold. Let's go, Fredward. How we doing? Yep. That's right. You got to hit the pen. Pretty much like done with it, but every once in a while. This week's been a week already. Can't believe it. All right, so first 5-minute. Little red battle. Shoutouts to the Bears on the prediction points. Juicing up. Not many people went in it, though. Hey, CoinWise video just went live. Let's go. Shoutouts to the CoinWise Pro Plus Education enjoyers. They've been hitting us with new quizzes for every one of the videos, except for the current release. Yeah, they've been hitting it with quizzes on the weekends to reinforce that knowledge. Look, going for that low. Just as we were talking about that low being no good. Yeah, you got to remember that the pullback happened over the weekend. The real pullback that we were talking about, the point of control. If we turn that into resistance. Ooh, gap fill. Gap fill. We're sandwiched between bad highs and weekly VWAP. Hey, hey. Now, one thing that I will claim a little bit was on ES from stream on Wednesday. Does anybody remember me talking about those single prints down there? Those single prints and that gap. What's going on here? Oh, I'm on index still. Where'd my single prints go? Yeah, on ES. When they nuked it on Thursday night, I said, I don't know, if it gets really, really nukey, maybe these single prints will give a bounce. Does anybody remember that? Yeah, right into Asia Open. I know, Fredward. It's got to be testnet. J-Buck said Kimba's TA is Kachoya. You're in a short? Yeah. That was Juice. Juice. Exclamation Discord. Kimba's Den. Sharing a lot of levels. Hey, and shout outs to the Wise Lions, NFT holders. There's some other ways to juice up on the Wise Lions. We had to get together in Discord or in PSG and figure out that. And the 6470 entry is still running. Yeah, you took a big chunk off. Yeah, you were hedged though. You could afford to keep it running. Yeah, that's juice. Coke Zero. You juiced the fuck up. That's beautiful. Should we just see where value is here? Wait, I'm gonna just mark Kimba's levels. I'm gonna mark it a different color though. What color you guys want? Purple? Blue? Bright blue, like the plasma. What are these levels here? 66, 565, right? And 63, 595. I mean, that's RTH close. That one's like the gap. RTH gap. Should we name it? There you go. I'm even giving him credit on my level. Yeah, I'm not marking that gap because it's like, it's already there. Shoutouts Coinwise. Dip the tip again. Oh my god. How about that dip the tip the other day though? That was so fucking juicy. Shoutouts to the shorters. $10 to 20% pullback on S&P. Insistence. What would be the catalyst for this? We're going to get 6,100 at some point. I don't care what anybody says. I'm going to stick with that until it happens. I don't care if it goes to 60,000. If it goes to 60,000, it's not coming back. I like 57.8. Yeah, that whole like 56 area is kind of interesting too. You open on T-Val? Yeah. Juicy. Open outside of previous day value, honestly. Gap down outside of previous day volume and TPO val. Yeah, the edge of this gap is interesting. We might get a dip the tip down here. Like, so just think about like the TradFi market. You got that point of control. You have like this right here. dipping into the gap and bouncing there, it is not a long shot for that to occur. Now, that doesn't mean that I'm going to ladder into the gap, but I might use that as a trigger if it were to bounce. So bounce here, but pink, that pullback outside. That's where I'm looking. But it's all test net. This is all theoretical. These are not calls. This is not financial advice. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me. Yeah, I kind of see the first test of the gap having a reaction too. Skadooch. CoinWise and TradingView. You talking about what exchange am I trading on? Shoutouts to BTCC. Shoutouts to BLOFIN. Yeah, check out the pin. Exclamation BTCC. Hey, shoutouts to Useless Lines. Let's go, bottom boy. BTCC. Did I just stop my playlist? No. I'm strong if you strong. Rafa, 51. I think 51 is going to clean 49 if it makes it all the way down there. Yeah, so go down there. Probably hit 43 or 42 before bouncing. I'm not saying that it's going down there. I said if it goes to 51, then it's probably going to 42. If it goes to 49, that's a triple bottom. I don't know about that. Yeah, there's a lot more volume at 43, 42. That was yearly point of control for like until we traded at 70K for 9 months. 7 months. I haven't had any problems with KCEX. Yeah, the UI is nice too, but you know, do your own research. Like, I'm just one dude. I am not making any money from any of these exchanges. I don't get referrals. I'm just here vibing with the Lions. But I think that KCEX is smooth. I think it may have a little bit of bias from some people that are trading like brand new shit coins that maybe in even the biggest markets don't have the best liquidity, and so there might be more slippage, but that's consistent for many. Do I think we're I mean, dude, we're 50% down from all-time highs. It is a bear market. Matt tonight. Now, as far as how long it will last, that is to be determined. It needs to get back inside. Like, really, it needed to get back inside 98, and it rejected hard as shit. But for anything to be like, start to breathe a little better, 74 has to be reclaimed. 74 has to be reclaimed. Say that very confidently. That doesn't mean that, I mean, even, it doesn't mean we can't trade it before then. I'm not trying to like fill my spot bags with every bit of stables that I have. So like $45 until I see like something that convinces me. Yeah, that 98K was juice. We saw that one coming too. It was pretty bad, that one nuke on October 10th. Rusalo. Who knows? The fees are good. BTCC fees are good too. BLOFIN's pretty nice. Yeah, but all the exchanges have their pluses and minuses. Yeah, you try them out. Let's go. I'm Kachoya. Shoutouts to Superman. How you doing, Superman? Sorry, I missed you for a few minutes. I got all excited about myself. But that's to be expected. Good morning. Good morning, Angel of Death. How we doing? Busala's nuking it to 0. He probably doesn't have to KYC in his region, Skadooch. Coke Zero, you're on KCEX. I think he's trading accounts on most of them though. Mata do night. I'm not trying to be negative, dude. I'm not. We're looking for positions all the time. In both directions. We are objective and we play it level by level. We plan for different scenarios, but we're objective with high time frame structure. And so like those couple of levels that I mentioned were based on high time frames. And the market's reaction at these levels, either that happened or ones that we would potentially plan for, would be triggers for different trade plans. 56K VWAP, yeah. Yeah, we were talking, was it you that I was talking about that with the other day? I don't know if I pulled it on this chart. That was juice, though. That was juice. That was pretty ugly, but these two levels were like really nice. Is it gonna come up? No, where did I pull it? I might have erased it. I hope not. Was it on this one? This is like a bunch of VWAPs. Yeah, the really cool thing about this one, yeah, it was on this one. Whoa. That was from the bottom. But it depends on which bottom you selected. Where is that bottom? Oh no, that was yearly open. That was 23 yearly open that I pulled that one. If you do it from the bottom, yeah, we actually on a different chart. We were doing this in Discord. Shout out to PSG. We went down to the like 2-hour chart because that was the only one that you could get candles back that far, the lowest time frame. Maybe you could do it with 90-minute candles if you can, like, if your trading view allows it. Yeah, shout outs Busalo. From the bottom, I did 23 yearly open on the other one, and it was like pixel. Yeah, and this was point of control to value area high, I think. Where was that low? Yeah, pretty much. Exclamation BTCC, hey, exclamation giveaway. 66K, Angel of Death, I mean, totally. 66, 65. If we lose, do I have this full screen? If we lose that point of control here, Like, that's a nice clean. But if we go for like a swing failure or cleaning that low, yeah, look at all those shorts right here. Closing on that pump right here. Catch up. They kind of achieved their goal right there. And shorts are closing on this little thing. We got some more things coming in. Let's see this in 5 minutes for our order flow. The only thing I don't like about the 5 minute is the delta. Yeah, and like CVD and stuff. Yeah, shorts at the lows. Nice. Fuckers. Ruin everything. S&P is likely bouncing. Yeah, it's a nice little local sweep. And that gives us a sweep on CME. It's a pretty good area. I mean, it's a high volume node here. So if this doesn't end up being the low, I will look for a sweep here. Yeah, and then 66 is on the table. Yeah, I think all the way to like... maybe even like 66.3. Yeah, somewhere between that. Could just be like a real shallow sweep. But that's a good low. Yeah, it's going to depend on CME. Yeah, see, like, oh my gosh, we're nuking. We're nuking. It's all over. Bounce out weekly VWAP and exactly where we were planning. Just can't get too excited about these things. That's why you don't short the lows. Jeez. Let's go. Get it, Schwani. Get it. Juice. Juice, 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 Bugatti. I should have called that. I mean, I did say these highs and a single print were not looking... they weren't looking like it wasn't going to get them. But I should have called where the low was. And that's previous day value area low. Ah, is it the extension on from previous day? No, good. Looking good. How about that? And there's your high. Right at the 7K. Beautiful. Hey, giveaways are coming up. Heard a guy on Bloomberg say BTC is going to 38K. Well, that means it's probably going to 150K that they were talking about before we dropped. You know, you get these like crazy numbers thrown out here. Honestly, Fred, if it goes to 38K, it'll probably go to 31. 31 is like the bullish retest. For like a 2-year bear market. Let's go, Shawani. Is that 69,420 on silver or is it on Biddy? I know you're juiced up on silver. I hope that you had shorted it. Did you catch that long on it? Let's go, Leo. Yeah, there's a lot of people think this is the lows. I mean, it's a good area. It's just I've been through this before. It just doesn't feel like a bottom when S&P is at all-time highs. And what did I say last time? Like, what happens when S&P pulls back from the all-time highs? I said it last week. Set an all-time high. What happens every single time an all-time high is set? You at least get some sort of pullback. And Bitcoin's been taking it harder every time it pulls back. It didn't even pull back when it really went to 60. That was like less than 200 points. And then these pumps get weaker and weaker. I mean, that was the most giga pump that we've gotten in like Bitcoin history. Dollars wise. But it still is like trading under levels. Who's juicing? You already know. Exclamation BTCC giveaways coming up soon. They got some juicy things going on. Shout out to the KIMBA live trading. Yeah, some juicy things. Who was here yesterday? Possibly Dextrose. Yeah, we were talking about, I don't want to be like calling out all these numbers and stuff. We're still like in the 60K range. And, you know, like we've had like a couple of red candles. Locally anyway. That was a hell of a bounce. And we're closer to reclaiming 74K, at least locally closer, price-wise closer, than we are to cleaning 60. So you just cannot forget that. My bias isn't that it does this, but I'm planned and prepared for it. 100K giveaway is still going on at BTCC. Yeah, there will be giveaways today, so make sure that you get your UIDs updated. If you haven't got them already, exclamation giveaway, exclamation BTCC, exclamation dashboard. Let's go, Fredward. Yeah, it's big giveaway money too. Do I tap this fucking wire again? Sorry, y'all. Pardon my French. I need to do something about that. I'm sitting in a different place right now than usual. With this stupid tablet. It's been a week. I was working so much that my office turned into a disaster. I'm gonna get things straight later today. Yeah, exclamation talent show giveaway. You get your submissions in on that talent show forum. You can get your song played on stream. You have a good chance to win some money. I raised the bar. Let's go. I didn't say most people. Maybe I did. I say people are calling for lows. It was the low of last week. I don't know, dude. I mean, look at Twitter from Friday. Look at any boomer market. Let's go, Busalo. It's a little closer to 774 though, isn't it? You never seen people looking for another 20 to 30% retracement? What about at 52? There's people looking for 30 and 20 in 2021. Really? Huh. In Twitch chat? Yeah, but dude, you can't base it on Twitch chat. Like, you have all these people, like some of them are like halfway joking too. I'm not calling for like the low. What the low will be, it happened during ETH. It was like pretty, there were things about it that were making it not feel like a great low. TPO wise, structurally, it formed a nice low and had an amazing reaction. It didn't happen during RTH hours. And historically, especially with Coinbase, when we have these big round numbers reverse price, it has, and I need to run the backtest on it, but it has an extremely high probability of not being the overall low or overall high, like the final low, final high. And it was like 60K on the dot. Yeah, it tends to get revisited. So that's some of the confluence that you may be seeing, and maybe a little bit of the bearish sentiment that some people are expressing, both here and in Discord, is we've talked about that, analyzed it quite a bit over the past few years. S&P being at all-time highs, or right damn near next to it, that's either a good thing or a bad thing. S&P went nowhere after being consolidating at all-time highs, and Bitcoin nuked 50%. So what happens if S&P gives a real pullback? What's it gonna do to Bitcoin? We're just planning for different things. You know, Bitcoin could reclaim, S&P could go to 8K. Bitcoin reclaims, S&P goes to 8K, Bitcoin runs 130K. There's lots of things that could happen. 99% not the final low, Chaplain. I'll say 69%. Let's go hedge fund. Yeah, we just make plans, dude. Make plans. Yeah, and sentiment. In a matter of days, you have a few green candles, a couple weekly candles. The weekly candle was, it's starting to look pretty. I mean, that was a lot better than it could have looked. And we still have, what, 3 weeks left in the month. We could turn this into a giga monthly candle. What would that look like if it closed back at like 80? 82. Listen, 82 is just as close as 58. If this bounces at 6-7, let's go. All the future investors hyped. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. They've been selling a lot, man. It's been a lot of selling. Maybe we'll get a little bit more hype come CPI time. That's next Friday. Is it this Friday? It's pretty weird having it on a Friday. Maybe KIMBA will like be around for it. Fredward. Say if it's like the real bounce is 60 to 70. I mean, dude, they could totally make that happen on the monthly. Did this take the high over here yet? Yeah, it did. Yeah, we're gonna get resistance around that naked point of control, probably all the way up to like here. Did it make it there yet? Yeah, I like that point of control there. I'm gonna just do a little profile. And it's gonna be ugly, so I'm gonna fix it. Alright, finally can fix this thing. Yeah, it's like right at that value area low, point of control. And once again, it's like that 70-12. And translate that over to an index. And it's like right at, that takes it to right around 7K. Let's look at the gammas. We're gonna have giveaways coming up real soon, so make sure you get your BLOFIN straightened out. Yeah, S&P didn't take it. And it's way closer to those highs. Way closer. That's juice. Yeah, that previous high, pretty nice. Yeah, we want to mark that 7,002, or you want me to mark these ones that are all bad at 69.90? It's $5 away. I mean, like, what's the difference? I got so many levels on here. That's another previous all-time high. The one before we went to 69.86. Let's see what Dixie's doing. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's all over bouncing. That was a swing failure. No, it wasn't. It would fail auction down there. It's all over rejecting from that. Dixie. It's going to 0. Hey, we got McDonald's earnings coming up this week. Don't be mad at me. Shout out to McDonald's. Who's going back to McDonald's? That's juice. That's juice. Yeah, I gotta close above. And it's consolidating above previous highs. Let's go, La Big Mac. Shoutouts to Royales with cheese. Let's go, Pride Bye. Shout out Santers. Yeah, you just keep grinding, keep learning. Back to work at McDonald's. Yeah, if you're new, that's like an old crypto thing. Most of us started at McDonald's, would probably end up back there. Probably end up back there. Hey, Kimba Gang. Kimba Gang's going to yachts, not to Mickey D's. We're gonna be like Richie Rich and Donald Trump that have a McDonald's in their house. Shoutouts to Macaulay. I'm talking about that Richie Rich. That Richie Rich. Hey, did any of the Lions go to the Super Bowl aside from Kimba? Let's go Esbit. Let's go Domcheck. Exclamation giveaway. Hey, exclamation talent show. You got a ship with Crypto King? Yeah. I got a internship with Amaranth. I'm kind of psyched. Shh, don't tell Mrs. Mandalo. Let's go 83rd. Yeah. Talent show, week 7. Bottom boy. Dude. Dude, I'll come back. I'm not even gonna say it. Yeah, I'm just being stupid. Oh my. That reminds me of like one of my old songs. Oh my, look who clapped him at the 7.5. I haven't heard that song in a while. You guys want to hear it? Maybe we will like giveaway time. I don't know. Maybe we'll on that right before the outro. You heard nothing? Yeah. Shout out to you, Xenon. Dude, she doesn't know who Amaranth is. I didn't know who Amaranth was before everybody here started talking about her. Tiggy? Yeah, maybe. Hey, shout out to Tiggy. Much love, Tiggy. Much love, Tiggy. She doesn't like my streams. It's alright. I love ya. But she knows who I really am. Hey, shout outs to the entire team. Shout outs Coin Nerd, Housty, shout outs Cage, Buzz, Cyper, MGK, Chauncey. Hey, shout outs to Reddy. I want an internship with Tiggy. Yeah, that's where it's at, Fred. Where Tiggy's got the life. Tiggy juices. Yeah, she needs to be doing, or he needs to be doing the TA up here. They need to be doing it. Hey, shout out to Bitesore. Bitesore is he's down in the dungeon making big rocks into little rocks. Yeah. And head shorted. 83rd. For real. For real. Exclamation giveaway coming up soon. Exclamation coin wise. Juice! Dude, my mailman came at like 5 p.m. yesterday, and they're coming right now. The dude like got yelled at and was like, "You better get your shit together." And so he came early today. Probably. Shout out to McDonald's, Kimba Gang always. Let's go. Crank up the song. Rules, my bad. I just now saw that. Which song is it? Hey, shout out to the poker. We'll probably get it back at some point. We had a lot of poker days. Poker nights. BTC looks spicy. Let's go, Fruit Sense. You in something? 10:30 a.m. dump about to go down. You know how they do though. Yeah, we did dip the tip. We're coming back to the gap. If it starts closing in here, the probability of closing the gap increases substantially. Yeah, and it's a swing failure pattern. Barely. Barely. Let's confirm that instead of me just eyeballing it. Oh. Probabilities. See that? That's a SFP for ants. How are they going to learn if they can't even get in the building? 200%. Yeah, it was. Poker was juice. Shoutouts to the Royal Flushers. Yeah, you get that initial balance like opening drive, and then it's a failed test drive. It just ends up being a test drive. It's pretty common. I raised the bar. Make a ticket in the Discord. That's cool. Yeah, one of my buddies plays the World Series of Poker every year. He does like a lot of tournaments. Yeah, he's like successful in business otherwise, but he just loves poker. Loves it. And so it's like, you know, like me surfing. I'll talk about that quite a bit. Shout out to Gypsy and surfing. Shout out to Gypsy. I didn't mean to leave you out though, brother. Hey, everybody give Gypsy some love. You be in Prague World Series of Poker? Yeah, he goes to Vegas. That's dope, dude. He does the Vegas one. But like local ones too, like kind of less Vegas-y. I don't know. I don't fucking know anything about it. But he does like the main one. Look at that. Look at that candle. That looks better. It is everywhere, isn't it, Fruit Sense? Did we close it? Not quite yet. Oh, are you saying what's the initial balance? Yeah, nearly. Hey, much love, Gypsy. Yeah, me and Gypsy are going surfing. Baratina too. Baratina, you surfer? And some people are like skiing like KIMBA, or just going on yachts and enjoying life, doing some diving. Some people are gamers. His thing is poker. Fucking lives for it. You sit on the beach and smoke? I mean, dude. Could be worse. And eat shrimp? Ooh wee. Hey, Baratina, what is the best recipe? Like, what do they call the dish for Brazilian shrimp? Just like barbecued? Is there like a name for some good shit? I need to try it. I have not been to Brazil yet. I need to. I'm gonna come see you guys one of these days. I got some family in Central America. Skateboard child age. But never had a snowboard. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get a new one next season. I'm hoping that next year I have a little bit of time. A little bit more time, can hit the mountains a little bit. But traditionally, like I used to do both in the wintertime, surfing and snowboarding, and then I would travel when I got old enough, just travel all winter for surfing. And so I never did snow for a long time. I'm stoked about the Olympics though. It's gonna be sick. Oh man, I know. It looks so beautiful, Baratina. Milanese. Nice. I'm sure I said it. Yeah, that sounds really good. I'm gonna have Mrs. Mandalo make it. She's gonna like go like order this the fixins for it. Bacalhau, I'm sure I butchered that one. Milanese. All right, I'm gonna look into this. Hey, we got a giveaway coming up, so get your stuff together, y'all. Exclamation giveaway! Exclamation BTCC! Shoutouts to BTCC and KIMBA. Yeah, pretty much all the markets followed traditional market. Shoutouts to BTCC if you caught that long. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Shoutouts to the Pixel Perfect TA. Shoutouts to Kimba's Levels. Exclamation Kimba's Den. It's not actually exclamation Kimba's Den. It's exclamation Discord. Check out Kimba's Den. Check out the Wise Lions channel. And if you can't get into there, talk to your fellow Lions about how you can. I know one way is to own a Lions of Laquania NFT. It is juice. Let's go, Shwani. He juicing. We're trying to round out that initial balance. Trying to round out that initial balance. Usually, should I hit him with it yet, or should I still wait? What do you think? Maybe wait till the 30 closes. Bots and boy, if I had seen that was blocked, I was just reading chat. I would have said, definitely allowed that one. Yeah, about to retrace that entire dump. Look at that hourly candle. It doesn't look as bad now, does it? It's going to 30. That looks juicy. You got it clean, at least locally. Are they? Well, let's go, Busalo. Yeah. Dude, I have not looked. Dude, I don't check on stuff like that, man. I know I have mine. I got diamond hands on mine. It's the future of finance. 6,200? 6,200 what? Doll hairs? Yeah, who was there? Like I was sitting at the screens on Saturday for that candle. That just wrecked so many people. Yeah, Fredward. I can't even fucking remember what that's from. I had to like cross-reference it, but it's just like stuff. 30 mark. Let's go, Houston. Hold up. Hold up. Let me get it off of this. Yeah, I'll get it on there. Yeah, we'll do some TA in a minute. I think we got giveaways coming up. Hey, this is your final chance. That's a nice little candle. 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Ooh, giveaways coming soon. Giveaways. That looks fire. Yeah. How much time is left? Let's go. Hey, exclamation BTCC, exclamation dashboard. Hurry up. I've been saying it all day. Hey, and if you don't win this time, check BTCC out. Yeah, it's Gucci deposit bonus. Some pretty cool rebates going on. Hey, one thing about that just reminded me. Shout out to CoinWise. They just added crypto payments. So you juice up and you don't even have to pay taxes. You just like use that crypto money. Those crypto coins. Let's go the dirty. Thank you, brother. Hey, shout out Chiga. Juicing. Dirty is juicing. Gifting subs. Let's go crypto jammies. Insulin bench. Let's go. Yeah, we had a lot of people light up. Let's go! Type Mandalo juice, exclamation Mandalo juice in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You got 4 minutes. Hey, shout out to Juiciest. Let's go, Rules. Let's go, Roderick. To the moon. He said Bugatti, 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 exclamation Mandalo juice. Hey, the playlist is on point. I think Juiciest is like managing it in the background. I put it on shuffle and it's just like lining up with everything. Are we going intergalactic? I know that our giveaways are. Let's go. 3 minutes remaining. Exclamation Mandalo juice. Shout outs to BTCC. Shout outs to Kimba. Shout outs to the team. Shout outs to Juiciest. Shout outs Cage. Shout outs Buzz. Yes, Juiciest. Sorry, dude. I just saw it and I was like not wanting to mess with music. I was like, ugh. And I saw a bunch of like our go-to songs in there, so I just hit shuffle. I won't do it again if I'm in trouble. Sorry, dude. We were vibing though. It like hit perfectly. Like it lined up with like 3 other things that we said today. Let's go. Exclamation Mandalo juice. Let's go Yuki Pop. Jokerman. Alberto Bolognese. That's been a minute. How you doing? Let's go, Dennis. Yeah, you got people over there in the YouTubes and in the Twitchers. Let's go. Exclamation Mandalo juice. Got 2 minutes remaining. Let's go, Gypsy. Gypsy, you did it backwards, brother. Yeah, that's what I saw, Juiciest. I was like, okay, I don't have to like touch the playlist. This is epic. Thank you, Juiciest. Yeah, I love that you put that together. Let's go, Banano. Let's go, Aladdin. Cooking. Let's go, Alberto. Let's go, no information found. That's a pretty juicy screen name. Extreme luck. Let's go, Gypsy. You are lucky. Hashtag blessed. Yo, 1 minute remaining. Let's go. Mandalo juice. Exclamation Mandalo juice. Shout out to the people who were exclamation prepared. He just told us to be prepared. Let's go, Bugamba Mama. Shout out to PSG. Shout outs Biffum, Calling Noob, Coke Zero, Rod Delicious. Hope all is well. Coke Zero is juicing, I know. Oh, I'm so sore. Let's go. 0 minutes remaining. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Exclamation Mandalo juice, exclamation Mandalo juice. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, Chili. All right, Chili. Santers. Insulin bench. Oh. Hey, if you don't win, it's not a catchoy. It's a big win because you have now joined with BTCC, and you can give it a shot. They have some juicy deposit bonuses and some amazing fee rebates for some of the pairs. So just check out the fine print. It's juice though. That's what KIMBA's doing the live trading with, if I'm not mistaken. And what these, ooh, how many is that? Is that 10? These 10 lions are about to be trading with. Let's go. Juice. Hey, shout outs to KIMBA. Shout outs to Juiciest for running this. Shout outs to BTCC. Let's fucking go. Congratulations, Love Muffin. Coca Lava. Bud Fox, let's go. I forgot a count. Let's go to Dextrose. Crispy. Oman. Kirigan. Tivinol. Hey, congratulations, Lions. $100 on BTCC. Juice with it. Juice with it on KTV. Shout outs to KIMBA. Shout outs to BTCC. Enjoy it. Let's do some TradFi trading. Congratulations, y'all. Yeah, that's juicy. Hey, and stay tuned for this afternoon. Exclamation Dashboard, exclamation talent show. We got a talent show viewing party, and then Thursday, get your submissions in for the talent show next episode. So it's like the new. You get a chance to win 250 bones. Let's go, Salas. Congratulations. Be a winner. Let's go. It was not a Kachoy. Let's go, Igo. Yeah, Busalo. Yeah, it's in the Wise Lions. Yeah, he's like leaving people voice messages and stuff. I'm not trying to like pump the bags. Yeah, it's juicy. Oh, your Love Muffin? You just changed it? I hope it connects for your giveaway. Let's go be a winner. Yep. Shout outs for Edward. Let's go Xenon. Dextrose, Tiagoog. This is like the names in YouTube. Shout outs to Dextrose and Tiagoog. Did I miss those when I was reading Twitch? Tivinol. Did I read those? I don't remember seeing Dextrose on there. I think I'm like, oh yeah, I did miss. Shout out to Tiagoog and Dextrose. What in the fuck is wrong with me? Hey. It listed it. Scroll up. Love Muffin, Coco. They're not gonna let me give away money again. Bud Fox, I forgot. Tiagoog, Dextrose, Crispy, Oman, Kirigan, and Tivinol. Congratulations, $100 on BTCC. Let's go. Hey, much love. Ed's Bit, let's go. Yeah, see Puman. You changed it early? Good. Juicy. Let's go, be a winner. Congratulations. If you own one, where do you get access? You own one and you never did? I think it's in the dashboard that you do it. Juicy, is that right? You link it all in the dashboard and then it like opens it up? I don't know. Dude, there's so many spinning plates in every different direction. I should know this, but it'll confirm it when somebody answers me and I'll lock it in. Right, exactly, Fredward. They would like people to watch all the shows, though. It's just the host can't fuck it up. You already see that, right? I like dawdles. Let's go, Houston. I like dawdles. Dude, you gotta look up the YouTube on that. Insistence, you know what it is. That kid's a legend. He's like the biggest pothead in college. He's getting so much tail from it, from being the I Like Turtles kid. What a legend. That was better than the 6'7" kid, honestly. Way better. Let's go, Insistence. You think it's been long enough for that kid to be in college or to be like a high school dropout? Dude, he should. People get clout for dumber stuff, right? This shit was so funny, dude. You did? I think I seen that, Curvies. Yeah, I could not pull it up unless I searched for it. That's awesome. Dude, that thing is like 20 years old now, probably. Yeah, the kid's like 35. Let's go, My Name Ego. Let's go, Colin. Yeah, Colin, dude, you just missed it. We just ran it like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, but maybe Thursday. And maybe this afternoon, come back for the thing. The talent show. Exclamation talent show. Exclamation dashboard. Let go, let go, let go. So we closed back in that gap. That hourly candle was juice. Oh, I gotta get this thing going. I guess we don't need this on here anymore. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations, and again, shout outs to BTCC and KIMBA. What did I just do? No. I need to lock this shit in. Yeah, that's my problem. Like, I like tinker with my with some of my OBS stuff, and then I don't lock it back again. Shout out to Juiciest. KCEX deposit boost 10% up to 21 US 21K in new user bonuses. That's dope. That's dope. Yo. Okay, you got the sweep and the cleaner. Did it close above? It did not close above. Yeah, that looks like the sweep and the clean. So you got to look for the change in structure. If we start getting closes back below this wick, back inside value, it could pull back all the way to like T-val or point of control. T-va. My bad. That's volume point of control right there. It's only 10 points. S&P, help me. Just long S&P with the BTCC money. Yeah, long any dip on S&P for real. It looks like it's all over, and then they're just like, buy the dip. Ramen noodles. This song's juice. I don't think I played this one on my stream before. I didn't know what playlist it was on. I do like this one though. AI bubbles popping, yeah, for sure. And it goes up. Yeah, you gotta wait for like 2 weeks still for Nvidia earnings. Yeah, how was that earnings on Thursday? Fuck me. Oof. Who was in that call with Sailor on Thursday? Ouch. Yeah, and the next day they turned on the TWAP. Yeah, for real. I guess we can look at that. Strategy. Yeah, they're pumping it. That was the bottom. I said 100. What day did I say 100? That was yesterday that it nuked all the way to this. Oh wait, no it wasn't. Yeah, that, I mean, that was like not bad. How big is that? On Thursday. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, that's a bold call, 100 when it's at 112. It's only 10%. I don't know when we TA'd it, but I know we were talking about it because they had their earnings on Thursday. Yeah, those earnings were so terrible. They were actually abysmal, but the entire market bounced. That was the index pulling it up. Yeah, that's a logical resistance. This is going to be a big one at 150 up here. But if it can reclaim that, then that's good. I appreciate what strategy has done. I appreciate what it has done for Biddy. I'm less of a follower of them or an advocate. However, what are you gonna do? Where's Coinbase? Golly. Fuck is Coinbase? It was like the next one down, probably. How did I skip right over it? I think it just looked so bad I didn't even want to see it. Oh my god. And they held it. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah. I'll probably get that gap at some point, at least. Let's go, Hidalgo. Hey, we're gonna wrap things up in a few minutes here. Your boy has a lot of things to do today. Yeah. Yeah, for real, Fredward. They're doing all kinds of shit, man. Did he sell any? Yeah, no, he didn't. He actually looked like he turned on the TWAP buying on Friday. And Bifinix also, that was Tether, started buying spot on both. Get back our normal things. Anybody have questions before we like wrap things up? I know I didn't really look at any altcoins, but like I don't know if there's really anything to look at with them. We're all dependent on Bitcoin. Yeah, I saw some people like getting sub 70 longs on Sol. That was juice. That's juice. ETH got a clean. That was pretty cool. Yeah, it just needs to get above VWAP. Yeah, but it's trying to accept back in previous day value area. That'll help clean some bad lows. Yeah, I'm not really convinced though. That ETH low, wow. We were saying like 1750 to 1800. Pretty nice. Yeah, this consolidation here. You had fibs there. Pretty. Yeah, it'll be nice to get back above that 2100 level. And that is a major resistance. I mean, dude, it's been resistance forever. You go on the weekly chart. That's like kind of the line for ETH. Yeah, you see that? I'll get that out of here because I didn't realize that I had everything hidden on here. So that 2116. Let's see how locally it. Oh my god, look at that box. That was on stream. Look at that. That's juice. That was market structure that I drew that box with. Pretty nice. Okay, so yeah, ETH needs to like get convincing closes up there, and it rejected from that before the weekly open, so that didn't help. Solana, it was like Butte. Yeah, that was a super nice bounce on Friday. Look at that, $67. I saw a couple people got $68, but like it's still like lower highs. That was a great bounce though. Yeah, and that 58.23. So you had like a little bit of a volume node up here and value area high for this consolidation, or for that leg of the move. Up until we like moved up into here. Hold on, let's get that like to the pixel. Yeah, it's all the way up. $78. But that's what I was looking at with this. Yeah, and I mean these lows holding. This is a daily chart, so that wasn't like really a liquidity thing right here. That was like a liquidation thing over here. There was a lot of wreckage that day. Suey. Hype's not looking as good. Look at that rejection from VWAPs. But it's holding inside the band, so that's cool. Binance all the way to 570, Lord. Suey. 78 was one of my fills, and I got front run by 0.89 cents. Yeah, but I got filled at like 84 or something. I don't remember. I'd have to like open it up. I had like a couple orders on it though. Yeah, I think it's still going lower. Bitcoin reverses though, like, I mean, dude, the alts are like not looking as good, are they? It'd be great if they didn't buy the highs at all go, yeah. All right, let's take one more check of traditional markets. We're gonna start wrapping things up. Questions, y'all? I do like this song. Let's go, Crispy. Congratulations. KIMBA's Den update. Let's go. Hey, shout outs to the Lions. Go check out KIMBA's Den. Yeah, forget about my TA. Just go read that. All right, y'all have a good day. Love you. have it on 3-day? Why do I have this on 3-day? I think I meant to have it on 30 and I just like looked at it really fast. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we pull back out of the gap. I might be looking for lower, looking for this gap. But let's see what... Yeah, I'm not going to read it. I'm going to let you guys go read it. Exclamation Discord, Kimba's Den. Yeah, that's not the one that you need an NFT for. Thanks, Latisse. Let's go. Hey, shout out to BTCC. Exclamation BTCC giveaways. Shout outs to the dashboard, exclamation dashboard. Thanks, Crispy. Shout outs to you. Shout outs to PSG. Shout outs to Kimba and BTCC for the giveaways. Shout outs to Husty, Buzz, Cage. Shout outs to Chauncey, Cyper, Tiggy, MGK. Shouts to Coin Nerd, shouts to Gypsy, Ready. Shouts to Toddler. Yeah, much love, team. Shoutouts to Byte. Shoutouts to Coinwise, exclamation Coinwise. Talent show coming up, a couple hours. Don't forget about the live trading tomorrow. We get some more juice. Yeah. Keep juicing. Let's go, Joker. Hey, much love. Abusement, eat, sleep, trade. Okay. I'm gonna touch some grass too. Some of the lines are gonna touch some Latuche. You would never. Yeah, for real, Curvies. We're gonna close the gap maybe. We have a plan. Yeah, go into Kimba's Den for the levels on CME. You can translate them over. If you don't know how to translate them over, join PSG and see what they're doing. Or don't. You can nerd out. But PSG is juice. Let's go! Who juicing? Who juicing? 420, $69. Much love. Happy Tuesday, Professor and Lions. Some schwiggity schwaggity. Let's go. I don't even know how that happened, but that was juicy. I gotta see that one again. I gotta see that one again. I wish I could rewind on YouTube. I gotta go into my show to do it. Oh, I didn't even show up on the YouTube. Really? It only came into the Twitch overlay. Maybe it's just how I feed into it. That's cool. Hey, shout outs to Who Juicing 420. Yeah. Shout outs to you, brother. Hey, big shout outs to Kimba. Big shout outs to the entire team. BTCC. Shout outs to BLOFIN. Shout outs to KCEX. Shout outs to all the exchanges. Exclamation dashboard. Shout outs to the merch. NFT holders. Let's go, Curvies. Yeah, that was juicy. $69. Let's go. Let's go. I don't have to go work my shift at McDonald's today. Let's go. Yeah. They're gonna call me up and I'll be like, fuck you, I quit. Fucking half-baked. Let's go. Much love, y'all. Hey, that's your 4-hour close. That's your 4-hour close. Okay, we'll look at that real fast and be done with it. You know what I said about S&P. You know what I said about CME and plans here. You have levels and plans from Kimba. So make sure you check out Kimba's Den. Maybe you can get into Wise Lions. Maybe you can juice up on some giveaways and then get an NFT and go into Wise Lions. But you don't need my levels, you got KIMBA now. I just like nerding out with y'all. And I'm blessed to be able to still do that. Let's go. Yeah, wait, what was I doing? I was doing the 4 hour. Dude, it's sleep deprivation to the max. Like, my brain does not work. That's a pretty nice candle. That's a pretty nice candle. Yeah, not really the biggest fan of this low right here, but I am a fan of it being a low if it holds based on this area. It's just an extremely important high time frame level. Yeah, you can go back historically to when we were trading here previously as well, and you know, kind of draw some comparisons with it. Market moving sideways, you know what it is. They're trying to bore you into becoming complacent, and then the move happens. But it's kind of a low impact week. It's kind of a low impact week. Sorry, I seem like I'm random as hell. Yeah, not a whole lot until we get to CPI. Where am I planning to short? That. Yeah, that local clean. That was a good place. Yeah, I shorted this. I shorted this. Shorted that. Yep. Yeah, I saw some things about if Bitcoin goes to 8K, like that number is pretty interesting for a few reasons, but that would cause some problems. Not just like with us all going back to McDonald's, but like actual problems. But they talk about that all the time. I mean, shit, dude, 8K. And Sailor's not in complete control either. Like, Bitcoin goes to 8K. Like, dude, what's going to happen to strategy? Strategy, if Bitcoin went to 8K, strategy would go to like negative 8K. Each of the earnings meetings, like the investors would have to be paying like thousands of dollars just to satisfy like their debt requirements per share. Yeah, this is the 4 hour. The first hour, the initial balance closed at 10:30 New York time. The government's not gonna bail them out. Maybe JP Morgan on their silver fucking degeneracy, but not Sailor. I cannot see that. Who'll be mining? Yeah, mining cost is like 67K now. I saw that. Or the whatever, not mining cost, but like fucking whatever. Okay, I'm out of here. I need to. Yeah, let's go, Inky. Yeah, I'm about to be late for my shift at McDonald's. I'm on the lunch shift. Much love, y'all. Thanks for joining today. Super fun. Juiced to be able to get some giveaways again. Shout out to the entire team. Big cheers. Love y'all. Catch you in the talent show later. Check out Kimba's Den. Check out BTCC. Check out CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Let's get it. CoinWise is always setting it up for us. Beautiful levels. Beautiful levels. Amazing indicators. Super juice video came out today. Quizzes. Journals. Let's fucking go. Big cheers, everybody. All right. Y'all have a good day. Love you. Shout out to YouTube. J-Bucks. Shout out to Kimba AI. Shout out to Stream Elements. Big shout out to Juice and Long. Angel of Death. That is TPO PvP. Those are for good or bad highs. So the green arrows It's CoinWise TPO PVP. Get the fuck out of here. That's what it's called. Yeah, it's for good or bad highs. You can like custom set the thresholds, and then it'll have extension of bad highs. It's like poor highs on TPO. Angel of Death. It's real nice, but it combines TPO value areas. You can combine volume value areas with orange on mine. It also displays single prints on the chart, full single prints instead of like the 1 bar extension, the way TradingView TPO does. Initial balance is a component of that indicator as well. This is levels. It's a combination of like important levels and VWAPs put together. Plus it has settlement for traditional finance. Yeah, CoinWise is juice. It's juice. They have a lot of education, and then they have like a lot of guidance with indicator usage as well. Their Discord is juice. Yeah, they're just like gaining traction. They're new, but yeah, super hardworking team and a lot of cool tools. It's too fancy. I mean, you can simplify it. I like the fanciness. Dude, just as how my brain works, I can look at like a clean chart. I can just be like, all right, this is what I like, and just go structure and volume. But if I'm doing like low time frame, it's super nice to have edge and confluence. Like I didn't even mention the order flow on it. Open anyway. Get out of here. I didn't mention all of this. Relative volume, buy and sell, and you got delta on here too. Open interest, aggregate, longs and shorts, CVD, RSI, and you can put a lot of other things in here like customized. Yeah, it's super juicy, and that's only 3 of the indicators I've talked about. They have like 8. Yeah, and it's busy enough as it is. Yeah, RSI centers. Let's go, Inky. Hey, shout out to Insulin Bench. Shout out to all the giveaway winners. Good tech. Yeah. When's the simulation running out? Volume is hard. Volume is juice. Alright, love y'all. I'm out of here. Have a good day. Catch you in the talent show. Peace.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profile and volume and time.